To fix your Transunion credit score, start by obtaining a copy of your credit report from Transunion. You can request a free report once a year from annualcreditreport.com or directly from Transunion's website. Review your report carefully to identify any errors or inaccuracies that may be affecting your credit score. Check for mistakes such as incorrect personal information, accounts that are not yours, or accounts that have been paid off but are still listed as outstanding. Make a list of the errors you find and gather documentation to support your claims, such as receipts, bank statements, or court documents. Next, dispute the errors with Transunion by filing a dispute online, by phone, or by mail. Provide clear and concise information about the errors and include your supporting documentation. Transunion will investigate your dispute and update your credit report accordingly. If Transunion finds that the errors are valid, they will correct your credit report and your credit score will be updated. This process can take several weeks to several months. So be patient and follow up with Transunion if you do not see the changes reflected in your credit report. In addition to correcting errors, you can also improve your Transunion credit score by paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, and avoiding new credit inquiries. Make sure to monitor your credit report regularly to catch any new errors or changes that may affect your credit score. It is also important to note that you can also add a consumer statement to your credit report to explain any negative information that is accurate but may have extenuating circumstances. This can help lenders and creditors understand your credit history and make more informed decisions. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can fix your Transunion credit score and improve your overall credit health. Remember to stay vigilant and monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that it remains accurate and up to date.